Ho, ho, ho.
Mary Daruba.
Will you keep quiet?
Mary Daruba. Oh. Mary Daruba. Prince Storia Stump to Mary Daruba. I wanna wish you a Merry Cleo. I wanna wish you a Merry Cleo. I wanna wish you a Merry from the bottom of my eyes.
Yes!
Never.
Never!
Merry Christmas. Oh.
Happy Christmas!
Same to you, never. Artist now.
Fine, no.
Hey.
You don't tell.
You don't tell now.
I would say you forget.
Yeah, why me? Forget you for waiting now. For waiting.
Something whether you are.
I been there. I say,
What you carry?
I say, ma, bring chicken for you. I keep chicken.
Chicken. Jesus.
I keep chicken for Christmas now.
Neighbor. This Christmas, now God go bless you.
Oh,
Now,
not that I tell people. Don't go bless me.
He go bless you.
Amen.
You know, see, I wake up this Christmas, even crayfish I don't get for food.
Hey, people are heartless.
I'm telling you, crayfish. My children don't they cry since
Is it?
morning.
Is it?
I know even know.
Test my chicken. Test them. You go see say I dey cook. Hey, neighbor.
I believe you see.
Yeah.
Happy never.
Oh,
You know me now.
you see, they see.
Me now.
I dey cook die. You don't know.
My children go sleep, they smile today.
Oh, you see, you know what I tell people.
You they complain to me the other day say you no get money. So how come you can't see money buy this kind of sweet chicken?
Neighbor, God they do something.
You need me now.
God is a miracle working God.
Tell me what happened.
You know, say that your chicken waiting for backyard. Wait for cage. And that one wait. Now him be this Akila. I help you prepare am. Come, I help you kill am, prepare am finish. My family people don't chop all the whole chicken finish. Now I say may no be as if I dey stingy. I kill chicken. I don't come give my neighbor. You understand?
I don't understand. You say my chicken where they back here. Waiting do am.
Neighbor, you never.
My chicken yes.
No, waiting. Yeah, now what I try. I carry am for midnight time. That 12 a.m. That. Now we are carry am. Come help you kill am, prepare and finish. Now this one remain. That say I come help you. I give you may no be as if I dey stingy. You understand?
Yes.
I say I prepare chicken. You know now.
Chicken where?
Hey!